Namaste and welcome you all for the new normal era of COVID-19. Uh, as everybody aware of recent pandemic of COVID-19, every hospital and every healthcare workers are taking utmost precaution to prevent this from getting infected to ourselves, as well as they are trying to prevent in the spread of the community too. We being in Apollo, we are willing that the society and community remains safe, as well as their priorities of healthcare should be taken care. Staying in Apollo and trying to work in Apollo, we have strategized certain things in that way that even a patient comes to the emergency room, they have special dedicated rooms where they can be allotted, and there are separate zones which have been made where patient has been shifted and they're primarily tested according to the COVID and non-COVID when they are shifted to that zone. We are taking utmost precaution when they are come with a suspected COVID and non-suspected COVID. Eventually, we want to adapt the new normal laws of society, where we can continue working with an elective procedures, with an elective admissions, as well as the COVID generation too. Doing all these things in a very specific way and specific manner is very important, because we don't want any patient to suffer being a COVID, and we don't want any patient to suffer being a non-COVID too. So eventually every patient requires their healthcare companion, and we want to be that companion for the same. We have created one zone in our hospital where most of the admission goes. If they are suspected for COVID, then we transfer them to another zone or another ICU where they are tested for the COVID. At this point of time, we are not allowed to admit COVID patients. So if any suspected or any positive cases, we are transferring them to the respected hospitals. But probably we are trying to take care of the rest of the non-COVID patients to our hospital, and we are treating them. We have seen a good amount of people requiring healthcare, and they are suffering because they are not being able to reach to the proper facilities and proper place to get them treated. Eventually, providing healthcare not only to the people who requires for COVID, to the people who don't require that for COVID. There are a lot of patients with dialysis, cancer, acute myocardial infarction, stroke. There are a lot of people who requires care immediately, and we are willing to provide them all the care which has been required. In our zone of treatment, where we are trying to provide them utmost care, we have taken care each and every possibility of infection control. So the zone which has been created, which have 1:1 nursing staff, so there won't be any cross contamination of any infection to other patient. There are specific and dedicated doctors are there who are intensivists and working over there in that area. There are no mixture of any staff to the of that area to the other areas of the hospital, because we don't want the spread of the infection into the hospital in a different way. We are giving almost all care, including any emergency endoscopies, any emergency surgeries, any emergency LSAs, any elective and emergency procedures which requires an intensive care. We are providing that. For that reason, we have created one more OT campus where we can operate the patient who are suspected COVID, or who are comes into a category that they have not been tested. In that scenario, all the staff members, all the surgeons, all the people wears and do this procedure completely with PP and with proper precaution. So making it more and more stronger, because every day some evidence changes from here to there to here. We are trying to adapt whatever best possible ways we can, and trying to provide the best care what we can. At this point of time, I would like to say only one thing, that every healthcare is evolving, and we need to adapt whatever evolvement or what are the new coming guidelines are there. We are trying to be on the top of it, and we are trying to protect all our healthcare workers as well as all our patients, so we try to minimize the infection which is spreading in the community. Eventually, I'll stay one thing only to you, that stay healthy, stay safe, and if at all things are worsening or things are not getting in control or things are becoming problematic, seek a medical opinion, seek a medical advice as soon as possible. Thank you.